So a quick introduction to OpenBody.app. It's basically an app for students of anatomy, human anatomy, to navigate and understand better the human body. So the first time you access OpenBody.app, you get this menu and you just can with the instruction how to navigate and yeah, basically you can click anywhere to close it and reopen here. And so basically left mouse button dragging is to rotate, right mouse button dragging to pan, and the wheel of the mouse to zoom in, zoom out. That is the basic navigation. So what you can do essentially is side parts, muscles in this case. For example, if I double click on the pectoral, that is hidden. So I can basically see what is below the superficial muscle. And yeah, so basically to understand better what's going on here. And basically when something is clicked just once you click, you have this panel here collapsed with just the name, but if you click on the panel, you expand and you get all the information about that muscle, and you can click on Wikipedia button to visit the Wikipedia page for that muscle. And there is a button isolated that basically, if I click here, and basically only the muscle selected is shown, and so you can understand basically where it's attached. If you need to put everything back, it's just in layers, and here basically there is this checker box with sub category. So if I click here, basically everything go back, and yeah, basically I can do other stuff, and yeah, there is a save button, and basically allowed to do a configuration, like for example, I don't know, let's say I want just the thoracic, actually not the dorsal, and yeah, for example, I want to save in just this muscle, so it will be easier to reload. Or yeah, let's say I hidden as well some of this one manually, and let's save this configuration. So click save. You need to sign in or sign up on the app. So if you click here, um, let me look out. Sorry. So if I click save and I'm not login, need to click here, and basically it is as a form to login. You can basically have already signed up, so you can enter the email password, or click on sign up, or probably quicker if you have a Google account, just continue with Google, and that's it. We are now logged in. So basically, I can basically save this configuration, and um, Salvador. So save, been saved. So for example, now I can carry on, put it back, do something else, and at some point I want to reload those project. I can just open the project, and basically it's that saved. Yeah, so this is basically the layers. Then we have some other functionality. For example, in pose, you can select one of these joints, the yellow dots, and then basically you can use these um, handlers to rotate in all the direction. And you see the muscle deforming. Is not 100% accurate at the moment, to aiming to improve, but yeah, that is essentially what you can do. And yeah, you can rotate as well here. Every of these dots, essentially you can rotate and pose. And yeah, the last thing says motion. It's just experimental, and basically at the moment it's just a working cycle. But yeah, in the future probably would be something that you can create pose and do animation between poses. Yeah, that's it. In Help, you can find some more videos, tutorials with more details, as well how to use on mobile. Let's change a little bit of the navigation with the touch, and yeah. And then you can contact us if you want to send us a message. And that's it.